is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. With today's video, to me, is a very exciting video because this is a crochet along, and it's approximately about 15 months. And I know that sounds long, but it's going to be fun. I put a little twist on this crochet along, and I think that you will enjoy this. It's called the Crochet Mystery Book Crochet Along. So what we are going to do, I'm starting in this little series right here. And this is by Betty Heckman. Let me show you this real quick. So this is 5 of the books. I believe this one is out of sequence though. But this is the first one, The Hooked on Murder is our first one. This is by Betty Heckman. And you see it says delicious recipe and crochet pattern included. Now it's in the back of the book. I'm not going to do these others because I want to be surprised myself as we read these. But I think this one is, let's see, I'll go ahead and show you this one. Helen's Pound Cake is what this is going to be. There's an icing recipe in here. Buttercream frosting. Right there. And then you have your pattern in here, which is Cece's Granny Square Washcloth. So that is going to be in book 1. And I used an I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. It has you use a 6, but I used the 5.5. And this is the little Granny Square washcloth. I used cotton, sugar and cream for this. You know, you can use whatever you want, whatever hook size you want. But I think the book suggests a 6. And like I said, I did the 5.5. But let me read what this first book has for you. It says, a gentle and charming novel. Its quirky and likable characters are appealing and real. Molly Pink is about to discover the joys of crochet. It's a relaxing escape from her hectic life as a bookstore event coordinator and from the stress of being the latest murder suspect in Tarzana, California. For Molly, the weekly crochet group at Shed and Royal Books and More was just another event to manage. Then she stumbled across the body of group leader Ellen Sheridan. Molly's complicated past with Ellen has made her a prime suspect, and after being cuffed and questioned, she could use a diversion. Never mind that she doesn't know how to crochet. Granny squares don't look that hard to make. But while Molly's fending off a detective with a grudge and navigating crochet group politics, the real killer is at large, and it's up to Molly to catch the culprit before she winds up in a tight knot. And then it says, get hooked on this great new author. So anyway, that's what this is about. I'm reading this, and if you'd like to join this crochet along, this will be the first book in the series. And I believe that if you do the audio, it has download this to your Kindle. Well, you don't actually have to have a Kindle, guys. Just download the Kindle app on your iPhone, your iPad, your computer, or whatever you're using. I'm sure probably even the Samsung phones have them as well. But it's just an app, a Kindle app. You do not have to buy a Kindle electronic device, a Kindle reader. That's it. That's what I'm looking for. You do not have to buy a Kindle reader. You can actually just download the Kindle app, and then you can, any book that you get off of Amazon, or I think even from your library and things like that, you can actually just send them to your Kindle and listen to them that way, or read them that way, however you want to do it. So anyway, I just wanted to make sure that you knew that. So those are the books, and what we're going to do is each month we're going to read one of these books. I'll leave links in the description box so that you can purchase these books if you want. They also have them on audio, and if you want, you could actually probably even look at your local library and see if you can check one out, or they may have them on audio in your library, and then you can get them for free. But in this book, there is a crochet pattern, and which you saw on there, which I showed you a while ago. I've made the first one to show you guys. They're just little small patterns in each of the books. So you're not only getting a good novel, but you're getting a little pattern to make something. And they come with a recipe. Now, I have not made this recipe yet. I am going to showcase the recipe once I get one made. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is the Crochet Mystery Book Crochet Along. And like I said, there's about 15 of these in the series. And right now, I actually have 5 of these. I'm only showing 4 because the 5th one is out of sequence. I don't know how I got book number 9, but I think that's book number 9. I'm not sure. But anyway, I hope you guys will join in on this. I think it's a fun read. And I'm very excited about this. And I don't know. I just think this is such a really cool idea that you guys will get a lot out of. So join me on this Crochet Mystery Book Crochet Along. And I will be putting pictures on Facebook group. If you've joined, you know, maybe show a picture of your book. If it's audio, just take a snapshot of it. Show your little crochet project that you did in the back of the book. And if you've made the recipe, take a picture of that and put it in the Facebook group page. I think that'd be fun. And of course, I plan on putting some slideshows together throughout the year of each of you guys, the patterns that you made and the recipes that you've actually used from there. This Crochet Along starts February of 2025. So for the month of February, you get to read this cool book, you get to make a cool pattern, and you get to try out a new recipe that's in this book right here. So this will be for the month of February. I want everyone to be able to join in along with this Crochet Along. And like I said, some of us may not have the time to read, and we need to do it on audio. So check out your local library. Amazon, like I said, I'll leave the links to that. You can get it, the audio version, reader, whatever, the Kindle version. And you can always just download the app on your device, or you could actually have the physical book. I personally want the physical book, but I do believe I'm probably going to do it audio as well, because I'm so busy and I'm on the road a lot and I'm going here and there and stuff that I may go ahead and purchase. I know I want the books. Trust me, I want the physical, but I have a feeling I may be doing this on audio. So there you go. Anyway, join me on the 2025/2026 Crochet Mystery Book Crochet Along. Thank you, and this is going to be super, super fun. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.